gas up the Jeep, it's good to be free. Load up the pans and fishing poles. The highway is long, the wheels turning round. Pack up the cook stove and the bowls. Arlo and I, we hit the open road. Arlo and I are on the road.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to make my wife's not here, a nice little sardine snack. So we're going to make a radish salad with sardines. So what we have to work with today, so I have some beautiful French breakfast radishes, some apple, some flat leaf parsley, some fresh dill, lemon, of course our sardines. These are some nice French sardines. We also have some local olive oil made here in Arizona, some salt and pepper, and some nice crusty bread. Alright, to get started, I'm going to use my mandolin here. Let's make a little room. Okay, I'm also going to do a little bit of apple. So, we'll cut our apple. Okay. Mandolin back over. And we'll do some nice slices of apple. Okay. Those are great. Put those in with the radishes. A little bit of apple. A little bit of apple for Harriet. There you go. A little bit of apple for Arlo. That's a good boy. Okay. Now let's do a little bit of this parsley. Okay, put that in there. Some fresh dill. Go. Put this over here. Just rough chop this dill. Little dill. Okay, and then some lemon. Squeeze it into my hand to catch any seeds. Okay, so now we're going to add some salt. This is some nice coarse sea salt, some fresh pepper, and some nice extra virgin olive oil. Alright, let's get in here and mix it up. A little more salt, maybe a little more pepper. The lemon seems perfect. I'm going to give it another extra little splash of this olive oil. Okay, we're going to take our nice radish and apple salad, put some right here in the center, just like that. And then we'll open up our French sardines in extra virgin olive oil. Those are some beautiful sardines. Look at that. Now we'll take a couple of those, put those right on top. And put two right there. Just like this here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of our nice olive oil here, just around the outside, just like that. And then I have some little buttered croutons here, a little baguette. Okay, so there it is. Little dill on top, and there's our plate. So there it is, our sardine snack with radishes and apple salad and French sardines, dill, and some nice local extra virgin olive oil. It looks really good. Now these sardines, they're on the pricey side. They're around $10, $11, but I think they're well worth it. These are really tasty. All right, let's dig in. Actually, I'll get a little bit of the sardine and a little bit, I'll have to use my finger here. So my first bite, I'm going to try with just the sardine and a little bit of the apple and radish salad. Now that has a really fresh flavor, and the sweetness from the apples and the little bit of bite from the radishes is a nice complement to the sardines. Now the sardines, you really taste that olive oil, and they have a little bit of a bitterness to them, which really kind of balances out with the sweetness of the apples. Now the best way to go about this is to take a little bit of our apple radish salad and then a piece of the sardine right on top of that, and that is the perfect bite. You get the deep flavor of the sardines, and then the brightness from the lemon and the apples and the dill. Oh, it's so good. The only thing you might need are a couple of chiltepines. Let's go ahead and do that. 3 chiltepines, that's my number. That's the magic number. Now let's put some of those on there. Now that's the ticket. Wow. If you like something spicy, that's the way to go. Oh man, I love that little kick. And those radishes are not real spicy. They just have a light spicy background. They're the French type breakfast radishes, and they're not as strong as some of the other ones that you have. So many people ask me why I don't use the oil that's in the can with the sardines. And even though this is a super delicious oil that's in there and has a lot of flavor, I don't like to put it on a dish like this because I don't like the whole dish to taste like sardines. I like every bite to taste a little bit different. So when you're taking a bite, you get a little bit of the freshness from the apples, a little bit of the lemon juice, you get a little bit of the sardines, and it doesn't all just have a homogeneous flavor of sardines throughout. Now, this oil is very useful, and you don't necessarily need to just throw it away. I would suggest that you make a nice vinaigrette for this and put it over a salad, a simple salad, and it would be perfect. Actually, I might make a video of that too. Wow, this is so good. I would definitely add the chiltepines. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. That always helps us a lot. And well, I'm glad everybody's enjoying these sardine videos, and I'm going to keep making some more. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.